Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. For the media setting after the match where Arsenal play against Nottingham Forest, where Arsenal win 2-1. So I think I the talk say this Nottingham Forest they don't really create anything, but for the ending, the momentum of the match can't change. They can't pepper us. We could not kill off our chances. Although Nottingham Forest goalkeeper Matt Turner was the player of the match because the guy made 5 saves. He do a lot of saves. He tried all impossible best to keep Arsenal at bay, keep Arsenal out of the game. So I think I got to say, well, at the end of the day, we see thank God say we win because that is why EPL is the best team, is the best league in the world because there are no easy games. For the first half, we win 2-0. Normally, you would think say second half we're supposed to do better. Knock them more 2, at least make it be 4. But at the end of the day, everything just changed, and the things will can't affect us really because people don't really focus on that one. I say Timber was injured and Timber came out. So look at that situation of bringing the Tomiyasu to play there. Obviously, Tomiyasu cannot give you the same vibe. Timber gives you the same control. And remember, I said Thomas Partey they play right back. I remember I said Gabriel Magalhaes was missing in the setup. So these are some of the things we can't affect our shape, but at the end of the day, like what Baba Sato and our panelists they talk, waiting matter most now the 3 points. Don't collect them, don't write them on the board until the next match. And we all know no 2 matches are the same. So our next match against Crystal Palace, well, I believe things will improve from that because from this match we'll play now till the next match, I think they have about 10 days to recover. So I believe so those who don't get injury, they will access them and do a lot of things so that the boys will be ready for the next challenge. Alright, away from that, so I think I'm going to give us injury updates on Jurrien Timber. So he was of the opinion, say this Jurrien Timber, say for that first half, when the government say the guy get one kind of small knock, where they do and some kind of things, so the physios actually looked at him and gave the A-OK. Say men are still carry on, men are still play and say nothing do the boy. But when it for that second maybe come like say he fall awkwardly, like not jamming leg somehow, they come say no, they must bring him out to that is why if you watch as them bring them out, they just carry them to go inside the dressing room, but they go maybe put ice block or assess in situation. So I think that Samo just calm down, saying they pray make it be saying in calf, make it not be in knee, because if not knee, the guy go day out for long. So more just watch whatever the physios tell us after the scan, because they go do scan for a leg. So after the scan, they will let us know the early prognosis. So let us know how long this our player will day out. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and be hopeful. At the same time, I think I want to thank Nottingham Forest. I'm going to thank the referees, because if you watch that our match, you will see say fans were outside the stadium for a lengthy period. So because of that, the match was now delayed for extra 30 minutes. The match is supposed to be played 12:30 Nigerian time, 12:30 p.m. They come play for 1 o'clock. So they beg them. Now, the support workers for Arsenal, one of them, according to one of our sources, they let us know say like 30,000 people enter the stadium without tickets. So because Arsenal they practice one e-ticketing system, that's electronic ticketing system. They are trying it for the first time. Maybe you don't need to tender your receipts because already online you don't run out. So some kind of people will not even pay for tickets because the gate was left open. Some kind of people just enter the stadium. So I think that 30 minutes that was delayed, they use and pursue those people come outside, start today. How far away your tickets, you don't pay all those kind of level. Show me evidence, all those kind of level, because they could, if you see them start the match, the original time, fans never really enter stadium to even sit down. I remember Arsenal Stadium is a 60,000 plus capacity. So we need people to stay there to experience that 12th man vibe, because we need the fans to push us to win. So that's why it's very, very important. So I think I want to thank the referee and Nottingham Forest and say they'll try. Alright, so away from that, so even Steve Cooper will be Nottingham Forest coach. But back on Commerce, they complain, talk say the match is like a missed opportunity, like a missed chance for Nottingham Forest to start the season with at least 1 point, because if I talk say in the first half Arsenal were so good, like his team could not get hold of them. So second half, he can't really para for them. Say, what did they happen now? Like, just let Arsenal they play on like schoolboys. That's not training because they so play their half field, like they don't touch the ball, nothing. We could have scored more in that first half. So second half, they can't change their shape and call the attackers, and call the bite Arsenal plus injury issues where Arsenal can't get. So they were just unlucky according to him not to have gotten the penalty when Declan Rice handed the ball. Like the man talk a lot of things, say VAR no doing job, VAR supposed to assist the referee. At least the referee cannot see everything. That is why you are the VAR. Say the VAR don't even check the incident. You get to see them check them here. At least check them on whether a penalty or no penalty. They don't check them at all. Like Papa just the blast, don't they talk plenty. But last we don't win, so we don't collect our 3 points. So we just free the matter. I tell myself at the media setting, the they ask and say, what's he making start Edin Ketia? Why he start up? So Baba God say almost Edin Ketia don't they knock for him door. Like Edin Ketia can say, coach, see me and they train because according to Ateta, Edin Ketia was training like a beast. Gets so that he could start it. Like Edin Ketia forced him to start him. So he said, Edin Ketia told me, coach, if you do not start me, then I know you are blind. As I tell you, I started talk about the media setting when I watch and say, Ketia said, you are blind if you do not start me. Look at what I'm doing for you in the training again. So that is why in the forced to start Edin Ketia and Edin Ketia can't score. And they get one mad statistics. So I see Edin Ketia don't score like 14 goals in his last 16 games at the Emirates Stadium. So powerful statistics. I will look for the picture, make I put them up, but I don't really see the picture again. But I saw it yesterday. Somebody even sent it to me. I don't remember whether on Facebook or on Twitter again. So, but Edin Ketia has a very, very good record at the Emirates Stadium. The guy they play very, very well. Now, I think that's what they talk say. Edin Ketia is a perfect example to others. Because it's not about coming to me in my office and say, coach, why are you not playing me now? Coach, why are you not playing? Show me what you can do in the training sessions. Because now there I go from the choose, say, okay, this guy, I like your vibe, I like this score, don't score like 5 goals for training. Oh yeah, come play for the rematch. That is how I select it. Not just coming to beat me on merit and say, coach, why are you not playing me? A gaffer, why are you not playing me? Show me what you can do and I'll select you. And I just like as Edin Ketia the score because I seen the score, some of the critics we go to talk say, Edin Ketia no good, at least everybody happy when he score yesterday. And I like the kind goal he score, just dribble, boom, he enter. That kind of Gabriel Jesus vibe. At least we could not too miss Gabriel Jesus too much before he go come back. Alright, for those who know they are aware, so McQueen don't officially move to Nantes for French League on a 1-year season loan. So we all Arsenal fans will wish him all the best of luck. May go there, make him develop well. Then at the end of the day, we will see what's in the future hold for him. So I wish him all the best of luck. Alright, Fabrizio Romano said going to give us updates on Jurrien Timber to Real Sociedad. Now, Fabrizio Colin talk say Real Sociedad actually wants Jurrien Timber, but they want him on loan. That is the issue. They want him on loan, but Arsenal want a permanent deal. Arsenal no want loan Jurrien Timber. If you want him, pay the money. So now what is them still they drag. So if they come reach a compromise or reach an agreement, I will let you know. But for now, nothing they happen for that deal, which means Jurrien Timber is likely to stay. Like with our panelists, they talk, everybody cannot leave Arsenal. They will still need some average players to still stay behind. See the people go play cup, yeah, so we get like 2 cups there. See the people go play cup, then the men then go play the Champions League and the EPL. Even sometimes some men if you get injured, they go bring one average through there. Get everything will still go well. So my prayer be say we just they play very well. Anyhow, we don't need to play well in all our games. Get the most important thing is to grind out results. That is what champions do. Get so there is no way you play 38 games in the season and you just play fantastically well in all of them. Last season, at least there are some games we didn't play where we dug out the results. Even some we said don't knock us 2-0 first. We just dug out the results. That is what champions do. And those kind of things, it will still come this season. There are some times where we say they will first of all score us. We go test our mental strength, so come back from goals down and win the match or draw the match. So all those things, it will still happen this season. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed and accumulate more points and put on the board. Alright, so after the match, so Rio Ferdinand come and say they rate Bukayo Saka. So Bukayo Saka say the boy is the real deal. He's the truth. Say Arsenal get a gem for their hands, and if you want to rate this guy in the pecking order of left footers, say in the same realm with Salah and Messi, they say in left foot because look at that goal with Saka score. Even at that for the media conference, they talk say to score match turner from that range, it is very, very difficult. For Atita to tell you that, now I'm coach now, Atita don't train the guys, so they tell you say, to score turner, that kind of goal at that range, now something very difficult. So for Saka to pull it off, Saka is a very, very good player. So you find out to say, if they read Saka they near all those kind of Messi and Salah will die in left leg, so the left leg now die. And when I see that goal, you know, see the goal remind me, you go away Saka score against Manchester United last season from outside. That one even far past this one. That one, boom, and he entered. So I just be very, very happy because I don't see they try all these things for training, and at the end of the day, it's paying off. Alright, even Graham Souness, maybe one of the football pundits out there, come to say Declan Rice, where Arsenal signed, say the guy will be world class as far as in the concern. Say if Declan Rice wants to be world class, he needs to add goals and he needs to add assists to his game. You can say Declan Rice just been too comfortable staying in the defensive role, will be waiting, will be in job. Say you cannot stay there and be world class. And when I saw that report, I tend to disagree with it, because if you say Declan Rice cannot stay as a defensive midfielder and be world class, what if we talk about N'Golo Kante? Is he not regarded as a world class player with everything he's done in his career? How many goals did N'Golo Kante score for in life? Go and check his Chelsea statistics. Because of what Graham Souness talk, I go do research. He checked N'Golo Kante's stats. He didn't even score up to 10 goals in all his career. For this Chelsea. How many goals? What if this guy signed for Casado? How many goals Casado will score? Because Casado is the way I say the trajectory. That guy is going to become a world-class player in the future because he's very, very good. So they don't judge defensive midfielders like that. Say because they score. How many goals Casemiro they score in a season? They don't judge things like that now. Years ago, scored like maybe 4 goals, 3 goals. The Rice said they scored like 4, but check Rice statistics for West Ham also scoring like 4 goals, 3 goals in a season. The same thing. Even they do more than N'Golo Kante concept. By the end of the day, we regard, and there are many other players, defensive midfielders, who mention when no really they score. But you see that their job of protecting the back four in the wine, they will protect them with their life. So no they judge. I don't know for sure. I don't know what you think about what Graham Souness to talk about Declan Rice. Say if you add goals and assists, he cannot be regarded as a world class. Say protecting the back four is not enough. So what you think about your thoughts? Alright, away from that, so Oriol Romeu will be Barcelona player. I come and say Arsenal really surprised them for the preseason. So they don't really expect Arsenal to beat them like that. But it is what it is. Now so it be, even though their coach they give excuse say they were not prepared, they just start the preseason, see then they sick. But because the match end like that, to see they knock us 5-0, they're not going to talk, see then they sick. They will talk say yes, we started the preseason with a bang. So that's why they always be. When things tend to go our way, we praise ourselves. When it doesn't go our way, we tend to give excuses. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And them out.